Hey everyone! Welcome to Groovy English. I'm Kate. And in today's lesson, we'll practice a useful English conversation for shopping for clothes. You'll learn how to ask for help, discuss sizes and colors, and even request an alteration if something doesn't fit quite right. Let's get started.
Hello. Welcome to our store. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a new jacket.
Great. Are you looking for any specific color or style?
I like something in blue or black, maybe a casual style.
Got it. Let me show you a few options. How about this one?
I like the design, but I think I'd prefer a darker color.
No problem. We have the same jacket in navy blue. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Do you have it in a medium?
Let me check. Yes, here you go. The fitting rooms are right over there. How does it fit?
It fits well around the shoulders, but the sleeves are too long.
We do have a smaller size if you'd like to try it.
Yes, that would be great.
This one fits much better, but the sleeves are still a bit long. We offer alterations. We can shorten the sleeves for you.
That sounds perfect. How long will it take?
It usually takes about 2 days. You can pick it up after that.
Okay, I'd like to get it altered.
Great. I'll take your measurements and arrange it for you. You can pick it up on Friday.
Thank you. That's really helpful.
My pleasure. I'll ring it up for you at the counter.
Key vocabulary and phrases. Use "I'm looking for" to clearly state what you want to buy.
I'm looking for a new jacket.
Do you have this in a small, medium, large? Use this phrase to ask if a specific item is available in your size. Could I try this on? Use this phrase to see how the garment fits by using the fitting room. It fits well, but the sleeves are too long. You can give feedback about the fit of the clothing and highlight specific issues. Do you offer alterations? Use this phrase to ask if the store can adjust the garment to better suit your measurements. I'm interested in something in blue or black. Could you show me more options? You can say this to request additional choices if the first option isn't quite right. I'm not sure about this one. You can use this phrase to express uncertainty or a lack of enthusiasm for a particular item. That looks great on me. Say this to express how the item fits or appears on you. Is there a discount on this item? You can say this to ask if the product is on sale or eligible for any special offers. Great job! Now you know how to ask for help in a clothing store, talk about fit issues, and even request an alteration. Try using these phrases the next time you go shopping in English. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever had clothes altered before? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun English conversations. See you next time on Groovy English.